Why do the teachings of the Buddha emphasize the importance of practicing virtuous deeds and abandoning non-virtuous ones? And does this matter to someone who simply wants to enjoy life and have fun?
Overall, the non-virtuous deeds is something that causes all our misery and suffering. And so therefore, one must abstain, even if it is a very tiny negative deeds. One should avoid it. Abstaining from the non-virtuous deeds is the base of all the qualities. And by abstaining, you are naturally doing the virtuous deeds. Virtuous deeds means the actions that are not caused by the defilements, and the actions that are caused out of a positive mind, like abstaining from killing, abstaining from stealing, abstaining from sexual misconduct, and so on. So in this way, which is just the 10 actions, the opposite of the non-virtuous actions. So by indulging these, by doing these 10 virtuous deeds, that you are creating base and causes to all the happiness and all the qualities.